I have a doubt. Do we call it throttle response or motor response? अरे यार मैं रेसर हूँ तुझसे अच्छा मैं चला लूँगा. I don't want AI to control me. It's written keep distance, so we have ADAS.
Okay.
So why worry?
Oh.
Welcome back, and this is from my room in One Heritage, and this has been a pleasant stay. And I've got a friend here, like you must meet him. Come on, let's go for a room tour. So this is Value wants to play with me. चल जाता है. Okay, this is the stairs. Yes, dude. Okay, वो मेरा room है. Chill. This is the first floor, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms over here, and that is Manjolika's room. Oh, good morning. We are here in Guwahati, and today we are going to test drive an electric car, which is Tata Curve, which is the new hot selling cake in the market. So let's go for the drive. Okay, I didn't like this.
Sensor.
Handbrake, yeah, you have your parking brake on. So off, yeah. There we go. Come on, go straight. See, that is super cool. So इसमें 163 PS का पावर है. Okay. So all this is touch sensitive. So this doesn't have electronically adjustable seats, right?
It does have in the driver's
But
side.
we have something here. What is this? This is a switch. I don't know if yes. This okay. This is for ventilated seat. Should have been accessible, bro. Somewhere. So, what options do we have in this huge infotainment system?
का हारमन कार्डन का जो 12.3 इंच का टच स्क्रीन है
ओके हाँ बोलो.
तो इसमें आपको एंड्रॉइड ऑटो एप्पल कारप्ले जो है ओवर वाईफाई भी मिलता है.
ओके.
सेकेंडरी जो है इसमें आपको JBL मोड्स वगैरह यहाँ से आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं जो भी आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. देन आपका एसी का जो यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा होम बटन प्रेस कीजिए.
कौन सा? ये
आपको यहाँ पे एसी का कंट्रोल्स भी टच स्क्रीन में ही मिल जाता है. देन यहाँ पे AQI बोल के एक है जो है एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स. एयर प्यूरीफायर भी इनबिल्ट लगा हुआ है PM 2.5 फिल्टर का. नेटफ्लिक्स, यूट्यूब, हॉटस्टार अगर आप कहीं पे चार्ज में लगाए गाड़ी को आधा घंटा 1 घंटा आपको रुकना पड़ा, स्टे करना पड़ा, तो वहाँ पे आप एटलीस्ट गेम वगैरह खेल सकते हैं या फिर आप नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह एंजॉय कर सकते हैं इसी टच स्क्रीन में. मूड लाइटिंग का भी फीचर्स है जो आपका डैशबोर्ड में आपका मूड लाइटिंग है जिससे हम लोग एम्बिएंट लाइट बोलते हैं.
ओके. कलर
म्यूजिक के साथ आपका कलर वगैरह भी थोड़ा चेंजेस होता है.
ओके. This I feel more of a car. It's a gadget. You have everything. It's loaded with advanced technology.
Yes. आपका फ्रेंड का भी सेम गाड़ी है. कहीं पे आप लोग गए हैं तो आपका फ्रेंड का गाड़ी में चार्ज ज़्यादा था, आपका कम था.
ओके.
तो आपका गाड़ी से उनका गाड़ी में चार्ज जो है आप
ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. में ब्रेक रीजनरेशन भी होता है ना?
Yeah. The car is very smooth, brother.
Whenever you press the paddle, it's like it's pulling us back. We had just stopped by, but then this vehicle looks so beautiful. It's mean in some angles, and the curves. Love, she has got the better curves. And the coupe sort of body language, which they have carried over, especially in the back, it looks good. Oh, curve ka see gaya. So Ashwath bro has got Tata's back. Come on, you got it cover, bro. This has got this spoiler kind of thing. I think that is to create downforce. I don't know if I'm not wrong. Drive. Chalo, parking brake off.
So,
We are in which mode? Eco mode.
we are in sport mode.
Sports.
City drive mode
City.
active. Economy drive mode
Okay.
activated.
The first thing what I noticed is this two shifters behind the steering wheel, but then they are to set the regeneration, as you can see here in the screen on the bottom right hand side. This is to increase the regeneration, and this is to decrease the regeneration. So basically you are controlling the engine braking sort of an electric motor.
एक्चुअली जो मोटर है वो आपका ब्रेकिंग कर लेता है, करने के बाद आपका बैटरी जो है वो थोड़ा बहुत चार्ज हो जाता है, जिसके कारण डिस्टेंस टू एम्प्टी अगर 400 है तो उसमें आप 450 तक भी चला सकते हैं.
The amount of brake we use, the more it gets charged, regenerated.
रीजन
Paddle shift is engine braking के लिए, in short. Play around with this, bro, because the way you keep your regeneration, no, the way the vehicle stops. So it is like it's giving me a feel of being in third gear. It's great, bro. I am loving this new toy.
And when I said you can compare it to A4, A3s, is it so?
Maybe.
Maybe, okay.
Maybe, yeah. The acceleration is कि देखो हम लोग का ड्राइविंग स्टाइल के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. कुछ लोग अपना लेन में जाते हैं एंड वी लव टू हैव फन, यू नो, डूइंग ओवरटेक्स. तभी क्या होता है ना, ये स्टीयरिंग हमको करेक्ट करने जाता है. आई वाज फीलिंग इट. फ्यूचरिस्टिक ब्रो, advanced technology. I am fascinated about these two, okay, the paddle shifter sort of thing. So people who say that the motor doesn't have that gearbox wala feel, you cannot change the gears, I think this is a smart way to give you that feel. You know, the 4 levels you get, the 4 different ways the motor behaves. And the one part which I didn't like is like all this display, the screens, they tend to catch your thumbprints everywhere. So time to wrap up, and we will be hopping to another electric vehicle. Before that, the ultimate question is like kitne ka hai ye? Like how much does a curve EV cost on road in Guwahati?
अभी तो सर जैसे कि आपका मीडियम रेंज जो है स्टार्टिंग वेरिएंट जो है वो 1749 एक्स शोरूम से स्टार्ट होता है.
Okay.
और ऑन रोड प्राइस उसका अराउंड 20,70,000 के आसपास में आता है.
Okay.
और इसका जो टॉप एंड वेरिएंट है, मतलब आप जो अभी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं वो आपका टॉप वेरिएंट है.
हाँ.
इसका आपका 22 लाख एक्स शोरूम प्राइस आता है. देन ऑन रोड प्राइस अराउंड आपका 2670 के.
This part annoys. Look at this. अरे यार मैं रेसर हूँ, तुझसे अच्छा मैं चला लूँगा. I don't want AI to control me.
What was the sound?
What was that sound? Brahmaputra River.
It's a Brahmaputra River. River.
River.
If you say it Assamese in accent, it's Brahmaputra River.
River.
I guess in high speeds we don't feel much.
Yeah, I'm not able to feel the bumps like those vehicles are doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stopping me from doing anything, bro. Stop intruding. To conclude with, I really like the way this car is built or it behaves and all the electronic aids it has. So yes, it was my first electric drive and it was something special because this is a coupe which is a rare design, and that too electric from Tata. So I would say that whoever is looking for an urban car which is practical and which is powerful, then this is the car which you must consider buying.
Or in the sunny areas.
Yes.
So it's big.
It's big.
Oh, so sorry. Can you?
After test driving the Curve EV, I felt it as an electronic gadget which has tons of feature in it, which is powerful, and I liked it. So now it's time to test drive another electric vehicle from Tata. So this is sort of entry level electric